Method number 2. Sell your own niche products on Fiverr. Unless you're buying services on Fiverr using the Fiverr arbitrage method, you shouldn't be doing anything service-related. In other words, don't offer your own services on Fiverr. Offering services on Fiverr is like kryptonite to new marketers. The allure of the easy money pulls you in, but once you spend an hour on a project that only pays you $5, you'll soon realize just how unprofitable and unbeneficial it is to offer your own services. Leave that for the people that don't know any better. You're smarter than that. You know that the key to making money with gigs on Fiverr is by offering your very own niche products. Which would you rather do? Waste an hour of your time for $5, or spend a couple of days creating a product that you can sell for $5 indefinitely with minimal effort? That's what I thought. I'm going to show you how you can easily create new niche products that are highly targeted and will instantly attract buyers on Fiverr. You're going to learn the best types of products to promote, how to use one PLR product to create multiple $5 products, how to easily create your own unique products from scratch, and how to write magnetic sales copy to promote your product on your gig page. The first key to successfully selling niche products on Fiverr is to know which types of products sell the best. There are two types. 1. Information products. Information products will always be big sellers in just about any niche imaginable. The most successful ones will help the target audience either meet a deep desire, solve a big problem, or both. Examples of information products include guides on how to lose weight, how to build a website from scratch, how to make money online, etc. The options are virtually limitless. Number 2. Resource products. Resource products are also extremely popular in a vast majority of niches. Resource products typically supply the target audience with a large selection of niche-specific resources to help someone solve a problem or meet a need. Examples of resource products include a large collection of tattoo designs, a collection of MIDI samples or royalty-free music loops, a collection of Photoshop brush templates, etc. So what's the easiest way to generate product ideas? You don't always have to reinvent the wheel. Most of my most successful niche product ideas have come from researching the products that are already offered on Fiverr, and then finding ways to make them better. For example, if I found a resource product that offers a collection of 2,000 tattoo designs for $5, then I would create a resource product that offers 2,500 tattoo designs for $5. But what if you have zero experience designing tattoos? How can you create a product quickly? One of my favorite methods is to use PLR products. With PLR, you get an instant product with a small investment and virtually no effort. And PLR becomes even more powerful when you use it in the way I'm about to show you. One of the keys to selling niche products on Fiverr is that the product must be highly targeted, which means it must appeal to a very narrow audience. If you make the product too broad, targeting too large of an audience, two things are going to happen. Your product will blend in with the rest of the products being offered. In other words, it won't stand out from the crowd and it won't be unique. Your product's perceived value will be lower. Products that tackle a broader issue tend to be priced much higher than $5. If you offer an ultimate guide for doing everything in Photoshop and slap a $5 price tag on it, people will automatically assume it's going to be a waste of money. And believe it or not, those two factors actually make purchasing high-quality PLR infinitely more attractive in regards to Fiverr marketing. You see, with most PLR, you're getting a package that will cover a wide range of different subtopics under one larger umbrella topic. For example, a quality PLR ebook on general fitness will most likely contain sections on nutrition, workout routines, and motivation. You could purchase that PLR and offer it as is, and maybe even get a couple of sales. Or you could divide that PLR ebook up and create 3 separate products that are more narrowly targeted than the original product as a whole. You could create one product about nutrition, another product about workout routines, and yet another product on motivation. Then, simply change the context of each report so that it speaks to a deep-rooted need of your target audience, and you have a highly targeted $5 niche product on weight loss that will get noticed and sell like hotcakes on Fiverr. And that's one of the main reasons why I love PLR. Now, if you're on a tight budget or you just want to create something from scratch, then your next best bet when it comes to niche product creation is to create your own unique products to promote on Fiverr. While in most cases this is a slower process than using PLR, creating your own products does have its share of benefits. Your product is guaranteed to be unique. You can tackle a sub-niche that has never been targeted before. You have the freedom to make it as short or as long as you'd like. You can insert your own voice without having to rewrite anything. And you don't have to worry about what rights come with the product. It's 100% your own to do with as you please. If those benefits are attractive to you, then by all means create your own product. Here are guidelines for creating your own product. Make sure the product solves a big problem. Make sure the topic is highly targeted. Make sure it adds value to your audience. Make sure it's filled with plenty of actionable content. Remember, this product doesn't have to be a 100-page ebook. No need to make it super complicated or overly long. I've had the most success offering products that are anywhere from 10 to 25 pages in length. The shorter it is, the bigger the impact it needs to have on your readers. If you do that, you'll get better results and make more sales. Keep in mind, creating a killer product is only the first step. After that, you need to make sure it gets seen by as many potential customers as possible and then convince them to purchase your product. You'll accomplish this by setting up your gig page correctly. The first thing you need to know about your gigs page is that it's nothing more than a shorter form of a sales page. It's really no different than an info product sales page you see on the internet. So you need to treat it as such when you set it up. That means your gig page should have the following. Headline. This is used to grab the reader's attention and compel them to continue reading. Make it clear. Let them know exactly what your product is about. Make it unique. It should stand out to your visitors and be something they haven't seen before. Make it compelling. Try to invoke strong emotions in your potential buyers. Include the biggest benefit. List the biggest reason that your product will help them achieve their goal. List of benefits. List how your product will benefit your reader the most. Include emotional benefits, benefits that trigger strong emotions in your readers. Include logical benefits, benefits that help the reader justify why they need to buy your product. Keep them short and sweet. 2 to 3 sentences max will be sufficient. What's included? List a few of the main features included in your product. Don't overwhelm the reader with features. Pick between 5 and 7 of the most important features and list them. Keep them short and sweet. Like benefits, keep the features short and sweet. 2 to 3 sentences max. Write your features before your benefits. Doing this will help you turn your product's features into more compelling benefits. Call to action. Tell the reader what you want them to do, which in this case is to purchase your product. Use a strong command to start your call to action, words like purchase, buy, and order now. Be direct. Get to the point. Tell them exactly what you want them to do and you'll get more sales. Be different. Just like with your product, stand out from the crowd. Dare to be different and unique with your call to action. Offer a free bonus if they order from you. Next, you need to get traffic to your gigs page. All the best copy in the world won't help if you don't have people visiting your gigs page. There are quite a few ways you can approach the strategy of driving more traffic to your Fiverr product page, and most of them can be effective. Here are the methods that have been the most effective for me while also being inexpensive or even free. Forum marketing. People are passionate about your product's niche, and chances are great that there are a lot of online communities about that niche that are filled with passionate members. Simply find those forums and advertise your gig there. You usually accomplish this using signature links, paid advertisements, or both. Always read the rules before advertising, so you do it correctly as rules vary forum to forum. Get featured on Fiverr review blogs. There are several Fiverr review blogs operating online. Locate these blogs by searching for them on Google and contact the owner about featuring your gig on their blog. The cost to you, if they accept, is a free copy of your product, which is a small price to pay for quality traffic. Share your gig on social media platforms. This works especially well if you have a significant following on your social accounts. Send a link to your gig along with a compelling headline to all of your followers on your social media sites. You'll be surprised at how much your gig can get shared, especially if your product is focused on a niche that you and your social media friends are passionate about. And that's all there is to it. Once you get your first product listed, don't wait until you start making sales to list more products. Go ahead and do that right away. More products equals more sales. Be sure to keep an eye on your Fiverr analytics and see which gigs are getting the most traffic. Try to find out why and then use that information to improve your other gigs. Never stop tweaking your offers until your conversions start to decrease. Stick with the plan and you'll start to see consistent profits. Next, I'll show you how to grow your current online business in the most budget-friendly way imaginable, by using Fiverr, of course.